What is it? Look at the size of this one. Not sure if you can see it. There are birds in that direction. This is us tonight. We're just getting ready for tomorrow. 3 kayaks are out. Stealth Profisha, I don't know, whatever you wanna pronounce it. This is Viking Reload, and then Hobie. This is Hobie Pro Angler. So there's 3 there. We're expecting one more guy to come, and we'll be out tomorrow morning. We're now heading to the drop off, which is about 6 kilometers from here. I'm sort of like ignoring all the marks that I'm seeing right now. Yeah, I think 30 more minutes and then we'll be there. I think we're about 3 kilometers, so we're halfway through. That's where we want to fish. Yeah, I'll see you out there. This is our bait today. I caught this when we went crabbing, so I'll quickly fillet this one. Cut this into 4, 2. Yeah, strip this into 2. So I'm gonna have 4 baits out of this, or more. See what happens. Hey, put that guy on here. Yeah, it's an ugly bait. Okay, let's find some ground. Not sure if you can see it. There are birds in that direction. Just gonna head there, see what's happening. See if you can pick up some tuna. Definitely something going on there. Oh, I think I'm late. Oh, they're still there. Birds, birds, birds. See what's around. What's going on here? Could be kingies around here. Just follow the birds. Oh shit, I caught a bird. Oh my gosh. Oi, get off it. Oi. Oh man. Shit. Let's get that hook off you. Ooh. Wild bird. Off you go. Jeez. Anyway, let's get fishing. I don't know where I'm at now. Oh, wrasse. Okay, we'll keep this as bait. Just gonna quickly. Okay, let's just drop that again. Let's just drift. I don't know. I don't see any reef here, but I'm pretty sure I'm drifting to reefy ground. So yeah, it's getting hit all straight away. Yawn. Or not big. Oh, he's heavy. See what we got. What is it? Bulging grouper. A baldy. He's nowhere near 40. Nah, not this guy. Let's try to revive him. Come on, guy. You're gonna have to swim down for me. You good? Come on. Swim. Swim. Oh, he's gone. Oh.
After all this action, I am now completely separated from the group. And hey, I think it's a lucky day. I drifted on a really good ground.
Nah, I can't find the guys. I don't know where am I either. Where those guys at? Fish, fish, fish. What is it gonna be? Oh my god. The other rod is on too. What is it? What is it? Damn. Big snapper. Oh shit. He's still on. Okay, let's get this guy sorted. Oh, let's get inside. Still on. He's still on. So what we want. What is it? What is it? Another snap. Holy sh! Another big snapper. Oh man! Look at the size of this one. Ah. Come on, mate. Oh, it's over, man. It's over. Woo! Look at the size of this. Got double hookup. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm stuck. Got so you got under this guy. Let's get this. Let's get the hook out. This is the first one. Yeah, snaps. I've got a really long paddle ahead of me, so yeah, there's no need for me to hang around here.
Hey guys, hope you liked today's episode. Don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. It'll really help grow the channel and I'd love you for it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!